Hi there everyone, it's Carol here. Thanks for joining me on my channel. I wanted to share with you something that I purchased for myself. It was my birthday at the end of September and my mum gave me some pennies to spend, and so I decided to treat myself to this parcel here. Now it arrived on Tuesday or Wednesday during the week. Today's Saturday. And I've opened the box, but I haven't opened up what's inside of it yet because I wanted to record that. So basically I treated myself to the Tracie Fox Frosted Forest printed version. So she bought out the printed version, which was only available to people in the UK. But I'll go into that in a bit more detail in a moment. So when you open the box, so you get the paperback. As I say, I've not even taken them out of the wrapping yet. So there you go. So from Tracie and Justin, and it was this beautiful blue kit already pre-printed, and it's on it's got a sheen to it as the paper. It's not shiny paper, but it's got a sheen to it. So that's the front page there, and then you've got all these square pages, but there's little elements off to the side. Oh, and it's printed full page. Oh no, square again on the back. Again, this element here. So I'm guessing that when you cut these out, they're kind of backed with this. So there's another one with two lovely foxes on and a lady. And again, we've got this element here and another square snowflake. Squirrels. Houses with baubles. I've had to put my camera really high up to be able to fit this in, so I'm hoping I'm in shot. And that owl, lovely. I'll give you a bit of a close-up. So basically, the owl has got patterns inside of the feathers. Did you see that okay? Is it too dark? Train going through the village. Couple and a lady. It's a pretty snowflake one. So again, I guess that once you cut this out, you've then got this as the background, as like a backing paper. It's nicely printed. And I should know because my ex-husband was a printer. So again, you've got that self-patterning in the tree here. So it isn't just a tree, it's got a pattern printed in the background. And that looks like those, oh, I forgot what you call those leaves now. They've got a special name. Pretty. Very pretty. That's a beautifully clear picture. Hope the light's not creating too much glare on this. Robins and holly. That's a lovely deep blue. So if you like winter journals, this would be lovely. Now, I have to say, I will not be cutting this up. This will be one of those, it's stored. with the rest of my stash that I'm not going to use. And the reason that I'm not going to use it is A, because it's special. I don't know if she's got any more for sale. But also, there were quite a few people who commented on the video when Tracy showed this of like, but it's only available in the UK. What are we supposed to do? There's no digital kit. So Tracy decided to make a digital kit. That's that one again. Oh, is the... No. Yes. Oh, right. So there's 2 of every one. 2 of every page. Yeah, because I've done the squirrels, I've done the foxes. Yeah, done the owl with the patterning in the feathers. All right, so there's 2 of every page. Okay, that's brilliant. Oh, so maybe I might use a set. Might use 1 set. But anyway, there were quite a few people complained about the fact that there wasn't a digital kit for them to use. So she produced the digital kit as well. And because I'm presuming she did this for everyone, not just for me, but I presume that she decided to create the digital kit, and she sent it out as a freebie to us who had purchased this, because obviously the kit wasn't available at the time that we purchased these. It's so pretty. Again, the patterning in the owls. So I've got the digital kit, which is why I was not going to use my papers. But now I've got 2 sets. There's 2 sets in there. I am probably going to use 1 set, and then I'll create stuff with the digital as well. So how many pages are there? So I'm going to count that as 1, even though it's printed front and back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so right, so there's 12 double pages, but there's 2 sets, so you get 24. So I've had quite a few ideas for this particular pack or this particular kit, and I'm going to do some videos using this kit. Now, you also get 2 freebies on her Ko-fi shop. So you get this one, and again the robins here have got this lovely self patterning in them, together with the owls as well, and these birds. So they've got like this pretty swirly pattern in them. And then there's that page as well, and these 2 are freebies on her Ko-fi website. Now, if you want to have a look at the digital, it's available on Love Junk Journals on Etsy. She has a website as well, Tracie Fox Creative. The digital kit is on her Etsy store. Okay, so that was it really. I just wanted to show you my present to myself, and to explain that I will be doing some videos showing some things that I'm going to make with this particular kit, because I'm not particularly a Christmassy kind of girl, but I have just seen her Christmas kit and I was like, oh, should I, shouldn't I? That remains to be seen. Okay, that was it. Short and sweet for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. And I'll show you how to make some stuff with this kit. Bye.